welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the shadow look. I call this the watermelon. Yes, because it kind of looks like a watermelon, to be honest with you. Las semillas de que van en el watermelon, pero you know what? I'm just gonna go with this look. I just really like the colors, the bright red, and I add the pink, the neon green, and then the shimmer green. I just loving this look so much. It reminds me of watermelon, you know? If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like. Check out my mom's channel. I'll link everything down below, the product stuff that I use on this video. And that is pretty much it, guys. If you guys want to see I got this eyeshadow makeup look, then just keep on watching. So off camera, I did my eyebrows and I also primed my eyelid and set it with powder. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my eyeshadow. Palette that I'm going to be using is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Shade I'm going to go in is with this pink shade right here. Taking my brush, I'm gonna go ahead and dip in with the neon pink eyeshadow. This is going to be my first base, and it's going all over my crease area. Get more of that shade so that way it can give a little pop. So that's what I'm trying to go for. And take this red shade right here, my Morphe M573 brush, bring it into the outer all the way to my inner, and I'm not trying to go above my pink shade. I just want the whole shades to reflect. I am grabbing a little bit more product of the red, so more bright, to be a little bit more smoky. Mainly what I'm doing is I'm kind of like focusing more in the outer V because I want way to my inner, just to have a little bit of the red and the pink shade, but I don't want to go very deep towards my inner though. Do a cut crease, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this type of angle brush, a half cut crease, and I'm gonna take my ColourPop concealer. Go ahead and take this neon green shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it in my half cut crease, grabbing a little bit more of the neon green shade. Just want that shade to really reflect with the red and pink shade. I don't know, this vibe I'm feeling more like a strawberry or like a watermelon. I'll be taking this shimmer green shade right here to apply it on top of the neon green that I just applied, the matte shade. Go back with the red shade, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just blend the outer V. The shades can like blend, so it won't be like a harsh line. And now I'm gonna go back with the neon pink shade, blend the top, just so all the colors can like blend in together, and then you can see like the reflect of the whole shades. Just going very slightly, not too much. Finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyes later. We're gonna start off with their face. For primer, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild face primer. Basically going to focus like in the T-zone area. Foundation, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. I know that you guys see me use this foundation a lot of times, but this is actually my current favorite foundation, and I can't wait to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. Go ahead and spray my sponge and blend my foundation. And I always like to drag the foundation down my neck. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer. This is the shade Fair Beige. And with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the shade Porcelain. And then I'm gonna apply it on my chin, on my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. And I'm just gonna blend my concealer. With my Wet n Wild contour stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the contour shade. And then just gonna like line it up. I'm also going to apply it on the forehead area, blend my contours. Set my under eyes and a little bit on my face. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this one is the shade Fair to Light. When it comes to powders, I'm very cochinita. And take my Morphe sponge, apply it in my under eye area just to set my concealer because it will crease, and then voy a llorar probably. Just kidding, I'm not gonna cry. I wanted to set that in place, so apply it on my nose area. Apply it around my mouth area, just to set it a little bit so it won't crease. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder. Usually like to wait a minute or so just so it can set in place. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit bronzer on my forehead just so it can be a little bit bronzy, because who doesn't like bronzy? A little bit of the Maybelline translucent powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Go in with my Tarte blush. This one is Moment. And this blush, I actually like to drag it to my bronzer. Go back with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and take the red shade, apply in my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte liquid liner, and I did purchase a new one because I needed a new one so bad. So for $4.89, I price match online, and original price in store was $7.99. So I love price matching because you save money. Mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline mascara. And apply mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the translucent powder because it's been sitting for quite a while and I totally forgot about that. Glossy lashes will suit better with this look, but for now I don't want to struggle. And with my MAC Prep and Prime Setting Spray. Go in with my Strobe and Glow highlighter, Academic of Color. Taking this shade right here, which is Lustre. Tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow area. Apply it like the tip of my forehead. Just a little bit. A little bit of that shade and apply it in my inner corners. Below my brow bone area. The Hoola bronzer. And then I'm just gonna contour my nose so it won't be too plain. To have a little something in the nose area. Lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild lipstick, and this one is Nudie Patootie. My Innocence lip gloss, and this one's the shade Nude. This is the final look, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoy this makeup look tutorial. I really love how this eyeshadow turned out. It turned out really pretty, and I'm just feeling the vibes right now, the watermelon theme going on. On the lips, I just want to keep it very pink, very like on a nude pink shade. You guys enjoyed this video? If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.